Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok profile. To fix the issue of the profile view option not showing on TikTok, you can try the following steps. First is you need to update the TikTok. First go to the Play Store and in the top there's a search icon, select that and look out for the TikTok. And ensure that you have the latest version of the TikTok app installed on a device. Sometimes outdated version can cause issues with certain features. But also try clearing the cache. Go back. What you have to do is simply press the TikTok app like this. Go to the app information and look out for the storage and cache. And in the bottom, there's a clear cache option. Select that. You could also try restarting it. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can fix minor software glitches as well, or you could try reinstalling the TikTok. Go to the Play Store simply and look out for the uninstall option, and if none of the steps work, uninstalling and reinstall the TikTok app again. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.